Jedi Bob isn't technically canon in the Star Wars universe, but that doesn't mean we can't make his Starfighter more accurate to the ones we see in the Clone Wars. Hey there y'all, welcome back to Groovy Bricks. Today, I'll be showing you an easy way to add an Astromech Droid to Jedi Bob's Starfighter, so that it matches the Delta 7B Aethersprite class light interceptor design we all know and love. This mod is super quick, so be sure to blast that like button and let's get started. I tried pairing the Starfighter with a number of different Astromech droids to see which one would be the best fit. Honestly, it's a toss-up between R2BHD and R2E6. Both look great, but I probably lean towards the latter because of how the black color complements the other small details on the ship. This is an Imperial droid though, so at the end of the day, the choice is yours. Let me know which droid you would pick in the comments below. As for the design itself, we still retain that sleek V-shaped color pattern, which in my opinion looks even sharper now than it did before. We made the ship more accurate to its on-screen counterparts at pretty much zero cost, so it's really a win-win situation. If you enjoyed the video, check out one of these next, and be sure to subscribe for more LEGO Star Wars content.